Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.03 more. The price of automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel will both increase by 25 cents. Kerosene and propane is also up by 25 cents, while butane is costing $2.11 less. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in August is down $2.05 to settle at $38.32 a barrel. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) issued a warning today that the global economy faces an even deeper downturn than it previously projected. In an update to its World Economic Outlook, the IMF said it projected the global economy to shrink by 4.9% this year, a sharper contraction than the 3% predicted in April. Though businesses are reopening, the fund noted that the voluntary social distancing and enhanced workplace safety standards are weighing on economic activity. In addition, the scarring of the labor force from mass job cuts and business closures means that world economy will recover much more slowly. The IMF is projecting 5.4% global growth in 2021, far below its pre-pandemic projections. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.15, the Canadian dollar $106.25. The pound is going for $179.37, while the euro closed at $161.21. The JSE index gained 3,581 points today, and the junior market index is up 52 points. Among the winners, SSL Venture Capital, 1834 Investments, Express Catering, Key Insurance, and Fontana. On the losing side were JMMB Group 7.5%, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Palace Amusement, Jetcon Corporation, and JMMB Group 7% preference shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.